So you need your fabric, thread and needle, your tape measure, pair of scissors, then you're good to go. Fold your fabric into 2 equal parts. With the length I'll be using is 34 inches. With the chest line I'm using 4 inches plus 1 inch sewing allowance. With the waistline also I'm using 6 inches plus 1 inch sewing allowance. Go ahead and connect all the lines together from the chest line to the waistline down to the length. After connecting the lines, you go ahead and cut out your fabric, then you're good to go. So this is the fabric I'll be using for the tying of waist. 26, so just make it here. Leaving one part open. So with the pockets, I cut out 7" by 10" for the pocket. So round these 3 edges, leaving the top open, and that will be the opening of the pocket.